Hey everybody, Kevin Ratta with Energy Suspension here. Very excited to share this rack and pinion set in my hands with you today. This is actually going to be for a Toyota Tacoma. The part number is 8.10106. Now the thing is, when it comes to Toyota Tacoma, there's a few variances that we need to take into account before we find the right part number. Specifically, you have to make sure you have the right year, make, and model. From there, you also have to identify if it's a two-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive. And then you have to identify if you have a 5-lug or a 6-lug. So today I'm going to show you how to link the right part number to your Toyota Tacoma. There are a lot of different ways to identify which Toyota Tacoma that you have. If you're unsure where to start, you can always reach out to the dealer or manufacturer, provide them your VIN number, and they should be able to give you all the necessary specifics of your Toyota Tacoma. A great place to start identifying which kit you need is our website, teamenergysuspension.com. You can use our handy filter system to narrow down the specific kits for your year, make, model, and engine size. One important thing to keep in mind when it comes to the Toyota Tacoma lineup, two-wheel drive Tacomas will most often be a 5-lug, while four-wheel drive Tacomas will be a 6-lug. In the chance you know all the information pertaining to your Tacoma but are still confused on which part number you need, you can reference these helpful charts to connect you to the correct part. The 2005 to 2013 sets are all compatible with two-wheel drive 5-lugs and four-wheel drive 6-lugs. Do a little unboxing, unpackaging of this rack and pinion set. When you buy a rack and pinion set from Energy Suspension, you're going to get a number of different components in the bag. It's going to provide you bushings as well as metal components to replace the original hardware. So in this rack and pinion set, you're going to get 4 half bushings, or what we like to call flange style bushings, 2 sleeves. We call sleeves the metal components that go inside the bushings, and what look to be 4 cap washers. So pretty straightforward set. This is going to replace the metal hardware on your rack and pinion, as well as provide you 4 new polyurethane flange style bushings to replace your stock original rubber, enhancing your performance and steering. So we make a number of different parts for the Toyota Tacoma. Before investing in a master set, make sure that all the right parts and components are the correct ones for your vehicle. And with that, you should have everything that you need to select the right part number for your Toyota Tacoma. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us here at Energy Suspension. Thanks for watching.